But more over girl, because if a boy I left him in the hospital with the nurse them. So what's the low? I watch me nervous. What's up guys, what's poppin', what's not stopping? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, when I saw the title, I saw the thumbnail and that's what I'm gonna do. So, reason why I'm gonna do it on camera because most people in the comments from a previous video, them not believe. And I'm gonna do it for proving around. And for everybody who I say congratulations. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it. And yeah, I really appreciate it. And I'm just ready to take on the journey here. And just ready for whatever. So before we jump into the video guys, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, give this video a positive comment, turn on your post notifications so every time I post a video you can be the first to get notified. And also follow me on Instagram at I am Shawna with 2 S. Links are gonna be down in the description guys. So let's just jump straight into the video. So guys, I have the test right here. So I never take one of them before, but I'm not dumb, I understand what to do and whatever. So see it here, never used before, so I can't say a lie. Never used before. And these are the syringe, I guess. Yeah, these are the syringe where you feel like take it up and put it in the S part here, so and wait for the line and come up here. So I'm say one line mean negative and 2 line mean positive. So that we're gonna do today and see what happened because me already know the result. Me just wait for one of it. Believe me, most people I say it was April Fool's prank. Most people I say I can't prank them like last time I did April Fool's and whatever stuff like that. I say why somebody would run a joke like this and then at the end never tell you to say it was a prank or whatever, you know? Being pregnant is a serious thing, serious measures and all them something. So I don't know why people that want to run joke like that, but for most I don't know. I don't know believe it, but I guess I don't just don't want to believe. But after I take this, then I go and believe. So I don't know. I'm just kind of nervous about the whole situation, guys. I'm nervous and excited because I'm still not telling my daddy yet and stuff like that. And him not watch my YouTube video, so therefore him not know. I'm still not telling him yet. I still not tell my big sister yet. So certain people still not know yet, while Angel know because she dey around me and things like that. I've been not around me yet, so I've been not know yet. I don't know. So I gotta ask Angel how she feel and things like that. So Angel, come now. So meanwhile, Angela telling her how she feel. I'm gonna take this because I guess I have to wait like 5 to 10 minutes. Put on your phone now, face to the result and stuff like that. So I'm so come.
Well, you kind of feel happy. I mean, I think she's ready at the same time. Because she's young, very young. And I already have one nephew, so I need me to go on with me happy for her. I'm happy for her skills. I don't know how she really feel. If she happy or if she says she's not ready. Or we don't know, but I'm happy for her, but she's not ready anyway. Let's go to one girl she have.
So most people in my Instagram DM ask if a boy I want or if a girl I want. So yeah, most people in my DMs are ask if a girl more or if a boy more, and everybody know me I go say girl because I love girl and I just think them cute. And my boy think cute, you know, but girl just cute and all them stuff. Some would want twin girl. Even though we can't have an age, but I want twin girl and thing like that. So we don't know, yeah, guys. I'm just nervous. But more of a girl, because if a boy I left him in the hospital with the nurse them. So let's get that out the way. And another thing, guys. Yeah, so as I said, most people I said then don't believe because I forget pregnant, I'm a single. But as I telling you before, if I want some D, I know who to call. If I want some D, I can go call him. So I don't know why you not believe me. Even though a people man, I no business. I said they must proceed with precaution, like I said before. And I'm gonna do a video I show you the people them man. What a life I gonna take a kid when I tell them I forgot they work with fever. What you can't do that road with the baby mother. So we can do a video about that. I can do a video revealing my belly since everybody has me for show them my belly, show them belly. But belly not start show so quick, guys. Make sure you tell them no belly not start show so quick. But when it starts show, I can do a video showing that. I can do a video at the gender reveal. I can do a video at the picking out name and stuff like that. Every little thing I want to say I can do. So you can just believe me from now. You can just believe me from now. So the next video I'm gonna do, guys, are revealing the baby daddy, so we can just get it out of the way from early. So that's what we are gonna do. And as I say, guys, just continue to support me, continue to ride with me, guys. And if you not believe me, go over to my Instagram and follow me because that's when I start posting my first set of pictures and my thing like that. So who they can get for see? So analyze. So as I say, if you not watch me and not subscribe it, hit the subscribe button, guys. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers. We want to reach 20,000 subscribers before the middle of this month or before the month done. So just hit the red subscribe button so we can reach it before April done, guys. So I'm gonna do that for me. And I don't know, comment down below whether you think it's gonna be a girl or a boy, and or if it's gonna be a twin. So you can comment some twin name. I do like that. So no, right now I'm just going to talk to you till the test come back, guys. So I'm not even gonna look at him, I'm just gonna show them. So just wait for 5 minutes to run off, then I'm show them. But I know this time I'm not post. I've been like, how much day I'm gonna post? Like 4 or 5 days. That's because I've been resting, guys. I've been having some, I've been feeling nauseous and things like that. I don't know what come with them something, guys. So I just lie down every minute, I sleep and all them something. Just everything will come with it. Adapt me a few. So that's why I've been resting. So if you don't see me now post as frequent as before, guys, because me I rest a lot and I feel bad and them something. I'm not do well with pain or with nothing like that, you know. So that's why I've been not posting so much. If you don't see me now posting, just go on my Instagram DM and, you know, motivate me and give me some little text and some little positivity and things like that, guys. So yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, guys, so 5 minutes done. I want you to stop doubt me and start riding me, start rock with me and rolling me, guys. So for all of the people, they will say, oh, it was an April Fool's or it was a prank and all of them something. This at the moment right here, so one can say, oh, if it was Shawna love joke, I did true and something. So oh my god. Yeah, Jill, I want to come show them for me. Why? I'm nervous because I was nervous, but woo, what ready? Count me down, Angel. Count me down for sure them.
5.
No, I'm start from 10. So I'm a build up. You know?
10.
Excitement.
10. 9. 8. 7.
I'm nervous.
6. 5. 4. 3.
Or if I reach 1 now?
1.
No, you said that too, Aggie. Start over. Start over.
3.
Start over from 10. Yeah, say 1, Aggish.
4. 3. 2.
Oh, you reach up no 10, me say? Start from 10, 9. You can't go on.
10.
Then if you open back school like
9.
today.
Shush.
Today,
8,
today. Then if you wait.
7.
Chop.
6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Wait, say what again?
One